Option.
Hi, Doc. How are you doing?
Sierra, you are always a walking dance party. I am just always love this energy you got for me.
Even in the house, I have to have fun.
You got to.
Just can't be quiet all day, every day. It just does not work that way.
Everybody knows Sierra. Whether you're a patient, staff member, or a doctor, everybody knows my girl Sierra. Question here that I hope you can answer. Maybe give some of the people a little insight as to what you've been doing to help make Rodeo better when we come back from this pandemic.
Coming soon. Be on the lookout for so many different options and ways for you guys to actually get consults better and easier without you even possibly coming into the office. We also are upgrading our website, which is completely exciting because now you guys are going to be able to do different functions within our website to better assist you guys as our patients. So shout out to y'all.
Sierra, when will my next appointment be if I'm a patient?
As of right now, what we're doing is we're actually organizing the schedule to better assist everybody because we know that this isn't going to be, things aren't going to go right back into normal. We're actually going to call all the patients and let you know when your next appointment is.
So just to clarify, we'll be calling the patients, right? They don't need to call us to reschedule. We're going to reach out to them.
Yes, sir. We'll call every single last one of the patients.
That's what's up. That is customer service. What is the one thing you miss most about being at work?
Yeah. I miss dancing in the hallways, to be honest. I really do.
Just the parties, just seeing the smiles on the kids' faces when they're coming out. They got face painting and they've got a goodie bag with balloons.
Balloon animals. I am missing the balloon animals.
I know.
I just need a balloon that's in shape of
covered in confetti. Every day is a party at Rodeo Dental.
I am kind of running out of mouthwash, and I've seen that this other patient on here, he's running out of mouthwash too. Is there something else that we can utilize other than mouthwash?
For sure. So if you are a patient, braces or not, you have all the time in the world to be taking care of your teeth right now. So this is not the time to slack off. This is not the time to just put on your workout pants and sit on the couch and do nothing. This is your time to actually take care of your teeth. Number one, brush your teeth after every meal. Step two, if you have a little inflammation from that, a good remedy is just some warm salt water. I would recommend not drinking it because that would be pretty gross. Take some warm salt water, rinse it out a couple times a day. That can also help relieve some of that. But more than anything, just good old-fashioned toothbrushing every time you eat, okay?
Invisalign trays. You know, I don't want to brush it with a toothbrush and scrape it up. So how do I take care of them?
Invisalign trays a little different than retainers in the sense that you're going to change them out pretty much every week or 2 weeks or so. I honestly, personally, I use soap and water with a toothbrush to help clean them out. I tend to stay away from toothpaste because it can kind of break down the plastic a little quicker. There's also something you could get on Amazon or your pharmacy, which is still open, which is called Retainer Bright. It's something you can just dunk it in there and the color changes, and once it's changed colors, you know your retainers are good and clean. That's typically what I'm doing right now because I'm also an Invisalign patient.
And I use baking soda to clean my braces. It's your life. Hey, it's your world.
Honestly, good old-fashioned toothpaste is what we're going to recommend here. You know, stick with what's FDA approved and what's out there for you.
My baby's needing a ortho appointment ASAP. What can I do?
By your baby, I'm guessing they're probably like not an actual baby.